guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to talk about keto foods, the best keto fruit to have when you're trying to lose weight on keto diet. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to talk about the best keto food to have, and the best, meaning the best keto fruit to have when you're trying to lose weight on the keto diet. And I'm going to go through the fruits, then we're going to talk about number 2 about weight loss with that, and then number 3 is how to get more fats with some of these fruits to make it even better keto, of how you make it high fat, moderate protein, low carb, how to make it even higher in fat with it. So let's make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe, and I'm going to dive in. I've got my little boy back here, and we're hopefully going to get through this whole keto fruit video of talking about the best keto fruits to have while you're trying to lose weight on keto. So my first couple of tips I'm going to run through, and I will put these in the description link below of how many net carbs per 1 cup of fruit serving that there is. Let's dive in. So for a couple of these, in no particular ranking order, I've got for 1 cup is the whole amount. Blueberries, 1 cup of blueberries is 17 net carbs and 15 grams of sugar. Whoa! The next keto fruit is raspberries. These are my personal favorite and my go-to when I want something sweet. 1 cup is 7 net carbs and 9 grams of sugar. The next one is blackberries, 6 net carbs, and that is the second to the lowest in my list of fruits. My keto fruits is blackberries, 6 net carbs, 7 grams of sugar for 1 full cup. The next one I threw an apple in there just to say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, or does it? If you're trying to lose weight with keto, an apple has 21 net carbs, and net carbs are carbs minus fiber. Some people just do straight carbs, some people do net carbs. I personally do net carbs for vegetables and fruits. So an apple would not be the best choice if you're having 20 net carbs on keto, and an apple's 21 net carbs. The next one is watermelon. Guess how much watermelon would be? Put in the comments below. What do you think watermelon would be? I love some watermelon, but watermelon is 10 net carbs for 1 cup, and it's 9 grams of sugar. Strawberries, who's a strawberry lover out there? Strawberries are 9 net carbs with 7 grams of sugar. 1 cup of cantaloupe is 11 net carbs for 12 grams of sugar. My little boy's with me and he's helping me. Aren't you helping me? Yeah, he's helping me. The next one, and this is probably should have been number 1, is avocado, because avocado is a fruit. Some people on my keto vegetable one, which by the way, if you want to see my keto vegetable video, I'll put that in the description link below. An avocado is a fruit. It's 2 net carbs for 1 cup. 2 net carbs for 1 cup, and it's 1 gram of sugar. And folks, I am trying to look at the camera for folks who say, look in the camera. I'm trying. I'm looking at you. We're connecting. Our souls are connecting right now. Me looking at the camera. The next one is peaches. Peaches for 1 full cup is 12 net carbs, and it's 13 grams of sugar. So that also wouldn't be the best choice either to have. How does this relate? How do all of these numbers relate to weight loss, right? So weight loss, as we know for Dr. Fung, search Dr. Fung insulin if you want more information after this video on my sources for this, right? So check my source, check my source. My source is Dr. Fung. I call him the daddy of intermittent fasting. He wrote a best-selling book called The Complete Guide to Fasting. I love Dr. Fung's methods. I think they're sound. I like them, and it's helped me lose weight. Part of my 67-pound weight loss through keto and intermittent fasting before I got pregnant, and I'm pregnant now. Hello, I'm pregnant. So my keto pregnancy. But Dr. Fung talks about weight loss is all about insulin management, about keeping our insulin as flat-lined as possible. So through having fruit, it spikes our insulin, right? And that's why I mentioned the sugar grams in them. So you know it's going to spike your insulin, right? It's going to spike your insulin. So having these as choices may be great choices if you really, really want something sweet, which we'll get to in a minute, but may not be the best choice for weight loss. To lose weight, fruit may not be the best choice for you because it's going to spike your insulin, right? And how you lose weight is not calories in, calories out. That is a 1990s mentality. Watch Dr. Fung's insulin videos, Dr. Fung insulin video or Dr. Fung weight loss, and he has great videos about the science behind this. It's a 1990s mentality if you think calories in, calories out. It's all about insulin management, and that has proven for my 67-pound weight loss through keto and intermittent fasting prior to me getting pregnant. So managing your insulin, not spiking your sugar, that's one of the ways through fruit. If you're having too much fruit, even if it's keto approved fruit like berries, like a strawberry, a raspberry, a blackberry would be good choices that you could have. It's still spiking your insulin. Is there a better choice to make? And sometimes we have best choices and better choices. For women or men, for women who are on their monthly cycle and wanting something sweet, having, say, 1 cup of blackberries for 6 net carbs is a better choice than having a Snickers bar that is like 100 net carbs, right? Like, it's a better choice than that, but is the best choice maybe having an avocado and having that with some salad, or having it with some spinach to get some extra potassium in. So what are the better choices we could have? And is it going to spike our insulin? If you need something sweet though, I would rather see someone have, you know, a cup of raspberries or a half a cup of raspberries than having, you know, cake. Switching and making modifications is super, super important. At least in my weight loss journey, that's been very, very important to me. I would rather see someone have a cup or a half a cup of berries than have like a Snickers bar. The next point that I wanted to make, point number 3 on this, was having maybe not a full cup. Maybe you have a half a cup of these things, which is what I do. Or I will have maybe 3 berries, I'll mash them up and put them in some heavy cream, which I'll get to in a minute. But having, say, a half a cup of, if you had a half a cup of blackberries, it would only be 3 net carbs, and it would only be like 4 grams of sugar, which is not that bad if you want something sweet. And so maybe taking the half a cup portion as opposed to a full cup portion might be the best bet. Tip number 4 is, how do you increase your fats with these? So what I personally do is, if I'm going to have fruit, I almost always add it with heavy whipping cream. I have one of those cool blenders you've seen me, or the freestanding mixers. You could use beaters, you could use freestanding mixers, you could do a bullet blender to mix it together, the heavy cream. But heavy cream for me, having too much dairy, also stalls my weight loss. But combining it with some butter, combining it maybe with some cream cheese, combining it with maybe some heavy cream, mixing that all together to make like a delicious kind of cheesecakey mixture, because it's raising the fats on it, right? And keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So getting more fats in through butter, through heavy cream, through cream cheese, you just would keep the butter at room temperature, the cream cheese at room temperature, mix it all together with the heavy cream. It's delicious. If you mash up some of the berries, it makes like this delicious puree in there. It's really, really good. So that would be one of my tips, or having it with, say, like a fat bomb with a couple of berries on it to help limit the net carbs, right? It's just re-navigating and re-changing how we eat, right? Like, how we eat. And certainly I have other videos on keto cupcakes, I have them on keto cookies, but for me, having fruit is the better choice than having like something made out of swerve sugar or monk fruit sugar or stevia sugar. Even those are keto approved sugars. To me, having, you know, a half a cup of berries or 1/4 a cup of berries is a better choice than those. So that is that's the ball of wax, folks, of keto fruit, of using keto diet fruits and having the best keto food that we possibly can, right? I'm gonna look in the camera. I'm looking in the wrong side of the camera. This is the camera I'm looking at. Making sure that our keto diet food list of fruit, I will put that down in the description link below, with low carb fruit, right? So there's low carb fruit choices in this as well, which is nice. You can have fruit on keto, you can. And so for keto beginners out there, you can have fruit on keto. It's just picking good keto foods to have with your 20 net carbs. I would love to know if you like this video. Put down below keto fruit, so I know to do more videos along these lines. Put down below keto food, so I know to do more videos just like this one. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, click subscribe, and sign up for my weekly Wednesday weight loss encouragement email. It's getting ready to rain out here, so I'm gonna go head home. My little boy made it through. Thank you. Good job. My little boy did such a great job. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Make it a powerful day. Bye, guys. Hey guys, many of y'all have asked me, how can you support the Countess of Low Carb community? And Hey guys, many of y'all have asked how you can support the Countess of Low Carb community. If you feel so inclined, certainly no pressure, but there's a couple of ways. One, I will put these all in the description link below. But one is my #1 new released Amazon book, The Mom's Guide to Ketosis. It's a book from Amazon. It's on paperback or in Kindle that can get mailed to you, shipped to you, or you can get it on your Kindle version. That is one way to support me. #2 is I sell online e-courses on keto, LCHF, low carb. If you're interested in those, they're not super expensive. Those will be in the description link below. You can go to the ordering page. #3 is I have my warrior necklace. It says warrior on it. I have it in silver toned or gold toned. It's costume jewelry, but it's fun and it helps remind me that I am a warrior, and they're not super expensive either. And then the 4th way is I have Countess of Low Carb t-shirts. They're fun little things where they say I am a Countess. They're fun. You can get them on Amazon and get them shipped straight to you. So if you want to support this channel, I don't have a Patreon account. I don't have any, this is the way you can support me with these 4 methods. No pressure though, of course. I love you being here and I'm so grateful to be doing this YouTube thing. So thank you for supporting me and thank you for watching my videos. Bye guys.